Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan sugar cookies, full guide. Preheat your oven and prepare a dairy-free butter alternative, flour, sugar, and a flaxseed egg before starting the dough. Cream the butter substitute and sugar until light, add the flax egg and vanilla, then gently fold in dry ingredients. Chill the dough for easier rolling, cut shapes, bake briefly, and cool fully before decorating for best texture and flavor. To get consistent vegan sugar cookies, measure ingredients precisely and choose reliable substitutes that mimic butter and eggs. Use chilled dough to prevent spreading and bake in small batches for even color. If cookies brown too fast, lower the oven temperature slightly and extend baking time by a minute or two. Practice with one tray to refine timing, then adjust sugar or butter substitute ratios for your preferred chew or crispness. When baking vegan sugar cookies, aim for even thickness and quick, confident cuts to preserve edges. Bake until the centers look set but not brown to retain softness, and rotate trays halfway for uniform results. For icing, use powdered sugar with a splash of plant milk and a little vanilla, then pipe or spread after cookies cool. Store cookies in an airtight container with parchment layers to maintain texture and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.